no adia ba ko ya na me ho ya me nwanwa ne se mo nipa kasa eka bibia enye papa you see nothing wrong with it but ekoye the other side no monya problem with it eno na ye sunsun bone be no spirit be no you see NPP for to da bi obu hu ho say omu do betimi adidi obi atam eye normal or other side edidi obi atama da bi wa bomusio
abuza for mamu nyina makwaba Ghana and StUp TV so one more so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature about so bit my cabin so watch the or comment section for them say munim dan if Mr. President be home be from Mr. President ameje so o text me Mr. President or comment section ameje so who see me TikTok na pa Mr. President ameje so sa koye de o be bia agenda MPP so the munim the opposition so we are trying our possible best be join the same TV channel so they are the new patriotic party amenyeko no they are power 2028 inshallah Dr. Ladma Mbowe president now so the power ban bia so say kebi na my kan ayi we were John the money Muhammad the bukat neze ebu die ya me ni amene ya fa the Messiah Dr. Ladma Mbowe amade na sase bebe fio na once again me catch Ghana mabunu nyina say amanyosem ne yeye no da chinti ne yeye amanyosem nye mprint ne amanyosem de wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo say inti dachi bia no would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? We shouldn't forget say politics no ya ma to me say fa bidi manfo nanim ya ma to me say fa be your hu yi it is all your software o ye ordinary Ghanaian o ye educationist o ye medical doctor o ye hwanhwani once I have an opportunity to serve public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, I did be a home bachelor.
No, adia ba ko ya na me ho ya me nwanwa ne se mo nipa kasa eka bibia enye papa you see nothing wrong with it but ekoye the other side no monya problem with it. Eno na ye sunsun bone be no spirit be no you see NPP for to da bi obu hu ho say omu do betimi adidi obi atam eye normal or other side edidi obi atama da bi wa bomusio ya de sa chichiro man ya yankwa yanimo da honorable afanyama can say or disrespect judiciary no enye no omu ko opposition no take it different ways through time former chief justice talk no issues in the no and you see the least person can also a court to one some and also a judge be one some okrom ha honorable afanyama you know why he had his ways on so many occasions time I know wa bemu is he trying to tell us the same time I know making the way no some no na ya politically motivated ana Aya question na me bisa no because obi a asem way eye helping secret obi anim say sa dana honorable afanyoma ken e did asem court supreme court enye se court ketwa bi akeke wo enye high court na enye circuit court o supreme court wa Ghana ha nyina the highest the chatwo as asem yiri yenso a ehwo ne de konti supreme court judge bia no seven prediasa circuit court judge kura no usuro mposo obeka no wasem bia ye betimi ache contempt a ene na say supreme court judge de wuntimi nkeka wadwen kire no basabasa saa o ana wuntimi asambo wo besa but honorable afanyama was able to have his way emo panel supreme court judges they are na say wo motenase they are na so wo ye adwuma former chief justice Tokuno etiminya judges supreme court judges emo tena afanyama kin case you dey call supreme court so say one tia say honorable agbangbagben declare seat to be vacant e parliament because now one speaker one making it known to him say omo call independence Sunday no na supreme court judges omo nya adwuma but fali case na nopa Emma former chief justice Tokuno etimi asabo panel supreme court judges Emma mo tira si yadwuma ma the ruling hey mo afanya market na de na asesa begin udi kan be describe Ghana court no say kangaroo court na afa hudi say so wo say yare man di abranya onti asenti no wo be disrespect judge no and wo for buo bia ma no and so you see minority leader no do no di animu na sem o kani na nkora no mo di a kire nso be den what is that background or no mo ka wabon more fire. There's nothing wrong with it. But what you are talking about,
150.
When you talk about one, they will come after you in 3 4. In 3 4 the best and the worst you can do is to insult. The best and the worst you can do. In 3 4 now more cano to insult. Nothing else, nothing more, nothing less. But you feel say momo ye nipa che obi momo betimi adidi obi atem but mono obi ntimi ni matem. Who are you? Who the hell are you? So Honorable Afanyama feels that he can disrespect the court, but somebody cannot disrespect Dr. Baumia or any NPP person. Eti wona we leader no wanu masem ni no aka to ho na enkran ntwamwa no obudi wachi no na omo so aba besom na omo so abo kakọ. But kai wu se mre bi atwamu the same judges na wo disrespect womo no the same judges na wo use womo e dey have you way the same court na wo use ye e dey nya de wo pe the same court na ene wo disrespect no Honorable Afanyama it is the same court that you used some time ago to have your way. What change? Is it because today is a war opposition theater? Is it because of what you say? The course of court and kwaba won court no nya adwenti no na say automatically no enya papa. So what here Abranya case na akasamu he was rearrested at the court because me say ya say eda na was court no wanko. Etu akwa no mo rearrested no mo remand no. Me pacho say ni mremu a Honorable Afanyama you know the right thing to do. And then I won't file for appeal. And then because you are a lawyer. And I when your lawyer be akeke watch wo hodom. Yeah, per lawyers are one you are one of them. It would mean can't me say unnim processor. Ubetimi edi afoso a ubenya abranya say ye be in every BNI. You know.
Why yo ye? And I won't see we be nis come no school. Also, be a school, you say, be uncle free no. Won't but don't go free school no.
Well,
school no. I am man, Would you? Oh, I know what them. Oh, some question, my man, what am I so any demand? Or be a so bianco school free no. And then see ye. We have to go and I say, run school no. Double track, gold, and then green. I just said any popcorn to some school, but no minister. That should tell you, say, now you're wasting your human resources. Because I can't be used a JHS no 14 years. 14 years, we need quite obey a receipt. Because BEC, you never receipt. So automatically, the life I ended.
Then I do a ma.
Can probably bring go school. Eti, because you say the panel, why ya dear? A chain number tiasi. Okay? Yeah, mammy, Asantini. Asante for mammy for me, Shama. Asante for papa for Omonche and my Omosho Fassier.
Yes,
Eti, Asantini mammy biano, I do not want it to send a ba. See ye. Eti Tama Eco Secondary School. Yeah, my moon is coming no more Tom, Toma. Your friend Afret ye. Netuma wa you know. No, a bob one or the corner code of Tona better be school fees. Eti, yeah, my memo, eti, free SHS Nasi. Okay? Mammy Bia, or a guy was a free SHS Nabano. No, a teacher, no, Asante for my SHS and the papa. Yes, Asante for my first Namicon. Was Antinima, me baby and the ba, a course school beer, 1970, 1980, 1990. Or Moti Sanimanasi. Because I didn't sell my me would room. Na ya pamu school fees. Na obeko, na mame, or tete. But in the baby and the babema bacopeno. On shall my own say. Shall say, am I be brave uncle school? You must say, I'm a brave uncle school. Because can you fear? eti ne ye hwa na diska na ma be man say ye ma be man ko school na oba ne ntino fie Akufo Dubai ne e ma ko school me ko school. You see, these are some of the things that people don't want to hear. And when I say it, people say, "Oh, akwa we there, we am people." Ni people ni o. Me LPG. We are there na ya be catch us idea we ye.
Is it be an do bribe will be now more scaby. Bawa dear.
That be on aso me kan no. E no kwa na say no correct. Aso me catch say e no kwa na say no. Say before dey ntoma man. E go say ntoma man bi ana. When I go to Obama Kuvarizia, I was sent to Obama, and I'm a war. Eti, Netama Chemoko. But what ye name of a pa, a bois, mem or fast for. Meme 3 years. Fortunately for me, many and more butcher, many no cusco butcher. Meme Bapiani Onoma, I a behind it. Minimum dada. Meme Bapiano behind it. Do you know why? They tell him a baby that is a man, I'm a do my woman of butcher. What I say? It is on no one yet, my baby chanica.
Well grounded.
Exactly. Na me ba no so wanya adwuma no so be on there osora obe leave obe flee keke.
Eti yanhwe situation.
Ni 1 million coders. Na enmebunu na be register wie. Na would redirect you to Google. Sam George, where are the laptops? Where is the money? Because I do not want to believe that the Ghana today for their better abundance say what blow 10 million out of that can say what they are talking for supervisors. Supervisors or more supervisor the Google. Mr. Google ni ya driver di honum and what occurs they are supervisors. You cannot tell me, Sam George, you cannot tell me say what the 10 million Ghana cedis in what occurs. And they are supervisors so almost fan supervisor die. So 50 million now what spend on the so-called supervisors. No, who are the supervisors, Sam George? Where are the so-called laptops now? What the bill Ghana? Me say laptop no. Ya bet na up isu ya who did this Sam George a koto laptop abako. Aye 12,400. Sa laptop bi na obeto ye na wo so ana enso no. Da ba ko ye 12,400 Ghana cedis. That is how much I the bill ye. What if we chin ye dia comment social bisa me say, do have I got any proof? Fa wo chimie eja comment section na bisa me say question.
I said petrol aba for me. Aba no dia he is trying to put all these things down.
So why na man nkos?
What yes, aba ntimi nhyɛ o. Wo na akofa wa de. What yes here? And I know asema na ka say Pulican aba aba ma enema na eba from no
anya aba no na de.
Oh, untie dem yeken. Me say we dey buy be all spoke against say. I was say ono mu hia. Ama ono mu hia but nanka we maye no. Jadifo no chem so mokọ efe say port wa ne ma no from kakra nyesa na mo kan yes but this kan ne ma bo no eba from but yemu say won say public area na kwa maye no omoko fa ne ma ne ba omo tete so ana aban no create another environment but say individual entity ne ma so aban ketimi petro ensi so
is right obisa me no me
so at the end of
what you say
the pastor is asking say
he's also asking a legitimate idea
adentina sa ne ma we nyina bi no aban na ye ne de wi na say bontenso for no yen de wi so the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation be about 0.5
yes
na so and never not 2 years ago ni boy 8 cities no because the inflation rate no.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the order has nothing. The order is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year and they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this and I've said it even to a fault, that if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted.
but none from the MPP.
None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with Fifi as propaganda secretary. Mentioning people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Kwesi Agyeta, former foreign affairs minister? You remember Asabi and his wife?